The best performance comes from the optimal combination of a perfect match of power, control and efficiency. This also applies to your drives and motors. At our new Drives Customer Testing Laboratory, you get to see the actual and high-precision measurements of the ABB drive and your motor operating in real time. These measurements include dynamic performance, loadability and efficiency. You can optimize the drive with your motor and verify the performance of the drive motor system. It will take a few weeks in advance to set up the customer motor and then provide all the essential data that machine builders and high-volume customers need. We can measure almost any motor up to 385 kilowatts with 3 setups for different shaft heights: H100, H160 and H250. The setting inside the lab is modern and compact, with neat areas for discussion, analysis and testing. So now you can eliminate any guesswork, oversizing or doubts on the precise parameters you need for choosing the optimal ABB drive. Take up a test drive today.